Imagine looking out of your spaceship. Below you isn't Earth or Mars or even an ocean. It's an entire planet made of nothing but water. No continents, no islands, no beaches, just one endless ocean stretching around the whole world. Could a planet like this actually exist? And if it did, what would happen if you jumped in? Surprisingly, a nearly all-water planet isn't completely impossible. Astronomers have already discovered worlds that may contain enormous amounts of water. Not just oceans, but thousands of kilometers of it, maybe even more. So let's imagine one. As you descend, something immediately feels strange. There's no coastline, no landmarks, and no land at all. Every direction looks exactly the same. Sky above, water below. Everywhere you look, the horizon never changes. You decide to jump. The surface feels just like Earth's ocean. You splash in, you float, and for a brief moment, everything seems perfectly normal. Then you remember one terrifying fact. There is no bottom. So you start diving. 10 meters become 100. 100 becomes 1,000. Sunlight slowly fades as the water turns from bright blue to dark blue, and then almost completely black. Above you is the last tiny patch of light. Below you is only darkness, with no sign that the ocean will ever end. Eventually, something else begins to change. The pressure. Every kilometer adds more weight above your head. On Earth, the deepest point in the ocean is already enough to crush almost anything. This planet keeps going for hundreds, maybe even thousands of kilometers. At pressures this extreme, water stops behaving like the liquid you know. Scientists think it can transform into exotic forms of ice, not because it's cold, but because it's being squeezed so hard. Imagine diving through an endless ocean only to discover enormous mountains of solid ice hidden deep inside the planet. And below that, the mystery continues. Gravity keeps pulling everything toward the center. Any heavier material that formed with the planet, like rock or metal, would slowly sink. Over billions of years, it could collect into a small rocky core. Not a giant underground continent, just a dense center buried beneath an unimaginable amount of water. From space, the planet would look peaceful, a beautiful blue marble, almost identical to Earth. But underneath, it would be one of the strangest worlds imaginable. No beaches, no ocean floor you could ever reach. Just deeper and deeper, until water itself becomes something entirely different. A planet where the ocean isn't sitting on the world. The ocean is the world. But the planet itself isn't the strangest part. The strangest part is what could be living inside it.